So let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, it is not Pumpkinfest for me. That is because I'm filming this a few days beforehand, because I have a baseball tournament on October 1st, which is when Pumpkinfest is coming out. But we still have a lot to look at, and we can see what stuff is already coming out, so we're going to go ahead and look at that. So the official Prodigy account made a wiki post saying that that Pumpkinfest is coming out on October 31st, or no, on October 1st, so we can look at the stuff, and we get to see what the boss's name is. It says, every day during Pumpkinfest you can battle Hollow Jack by finding the unlit jack-o'-lantern that appears in a random map of Lamplight Town. Winning will earn you lots of candy corn to spend in the Pumpkinfest store, but be ready for a few surprises during the fight. Good luck, wizards. So we're going to have a plot twist during this thing, possibly. I'm going to be showing a fight with it later in the video, but that's going to come a lot later. And then we can also see this. It says, earn your rewards by completing battles during Pumpkinfest. So, as we know, it's October 1st to October 31st. Stage 1 gives you 5 battle works, and if you're a member, you can get 10 candy corn. On Stage 2, you get the Cauldron for completing, probably 4 battles. Oh, it says it right here. 2 battles for battle works, 6 battles for Cauldron. Were-Rat, which is this, you have to do 12 battles, and you get 10 more candy corn if you're a member. And then 20 battles is Plushkin, which looks like this. I have a video all about that. I'll leave that in the description. And then we also get this amazing art of what Plushkin's evolvement, which is Scarecrow, looks like. Looks a lot better than the in-game, but that's just how it works. Or like Prodigy can just make it look whatever, like however they want. And there are also new things in the shop. The curly horns were the reward last year. You can get those now. The Batwing wand, which looks like this. It's members only. The curly horns are not members only. The fiery wing, which has been leaked for a while, you can now get that. And then the Shadow Ghost, which was last year's October member box item. But now we are going to be battling Hollow Jack. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.